all sorts of stuff. All right, so grab a zip tie. I'll grab a band. Oh, thanks. All right, so we can all see the screen, right? Or we can all see the petal right here. Is this a good spot? Because I moved the camera again. Has you in framed box. If you go to your page to watch the live, it is full screen. Thank you, Alicia. Whew. Okay, we can see it. So I have a squared piece of mesh. We're going to take it curl side up, diamond shape. We're going to bring bottom up. Top down until both sides touch each other. Okay, we're going to take my right hand, hold that side down. Perfect. Okay, we're going to bring left tip to right tip. I'm going to fold that right in half, lining up that tip. So we have a straight line here. It starts to slant. So that slant is our imaginary line. We're going to pinch, bring our edges in. So right here, you see I'm putting my fingers side by side. So once I pick that up, I'm going to let go my fingers, and that's the tail measurement. So that's how I know my tails are always going to be the same size. Okay, so we just band it. You have this side curved out, this side curved in like a cup. We're going to take those two top petals, going to take my zip tie, and I'm going to run that zip tie right in between that top part of that petal and the bottom part of that petal. We're going to zip it up. We're going to hold the part we just banded with our right hand. We're going to take that zip tie. We're going to walk it all the way up to where it won't move any further. And then I'm going to pinch that petal together, holding my zip tie in place. Grab that zip tie and start zipping it up. Just like that. Now, if you are using the one with the button, put your button on there before you do this. And then if we're doing the one without the button, you'll use this side of that petal. If you're using the side with the button, then you're going to open that petal up. Just like that. Okay. You're on YouTube and can see me perfectly. Awesome. Now, if you're using the button, make sure you feed that button through that